Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are taking very good care of yourself. I'm Dr. Anshul. Welcome to Explore More Learn. Today's topic is about correct pronunciation of animals' names. This topic seems to be very simple and easy, right? You may think it's very easy to pronounce animals' name, right? But believe me, I've seen many people mispronounce these names incorrectly. So these names are commonly mispronounced. Would you like to know their correct pronunciation? If yes, then please watch this video. And there is no harm watching this video. So let's start this video quickly. So the first name, which is very commonly mispronounced, is this. Leopard. Please look at this picture also. So how do you pronounce its name? Leopard? That's incorrect. The correct pronunciation of this animal is leopard. 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 Okay? Alright, now the next animal. Again, it's a very common animal, and I'm sure you all might have seen this animal. You all might have pronounced its name, right? Buffalo. How do you pronounce its name? Buffalo? If yes, it's incorrect. It's not buffalo. It's buffalo. Buffalo. Please check its phonetic transcription. Stress is given on the first syllable, and A is not pronounced as A, it's A, and O is not pronounced as O, it's O. So how do you pronounce it? Buffalo. Buffalo. Please repeat after me. Buffalo. Buffalo. It's not buffalo. 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 Got it? Now the next animal. How do you pronounce this name? And you have pronounced its name since your childhood. You have used its name in your rhymes. And I have seen many people, like children and teachers, mispronounce its name. So the correct pronunciation of this animal is bear, not beer. It's not teddy bear. It's bear. 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 Okay? Now the next animal. How do you pronounce its name? And all of you might have seen this animal on your walls, right? So how do you pronounce it? Lizard. Lizard? No. It's lizard. 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 Okay? It's not lizard. So R is silent here. Now, the next animal, how do you pronounce its name? It's a very quiet animal. How do you pronounce its name? Do you pronounce it like tortoise? If yes, then it's incorrect pronunciation. The correct pronunciation of this animal is tortoise. Tortoise. And you see the stress is on the first syllable. So it's tortoise. Tortoise, not tortoise. Okay? Now the next animal. And it's very common animal. The king of animals. How do you pronounce its name? Do you pronounce it like lion? It's incorrect. How do you pronounce it? Lion. It's lion. Lion, not lion. Okay, now the next animal. How do you pronounce it? Crocodile? If yes, then it's again an incorrect pronunciation. So how to pronounce it? It's crocodile. 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 So here, do not pronounce this O here, okay? So do not say crocodile. It's crocodile. Crocodile. Alright? I hope you have got it. Now, the next animal is this. You all have learnt about it. E for? So, how do you pronounce it? Elephant? It's again incorrect pronunciation. The correct pronunciation is elephant. Elephant. So it's not no, elephant. It's not fant. It's not elephant. It's elephant. Elephant. Alright? Got it? Now, the next animal. How do you pronounce its name? Do you say like kangaroo or kangaroo? No, it's kangaroo. 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 Okay? Now, the next animal. Okay, how do you pronounce its name? Do you say it hippopotamus? Hippopotamus? If you say it like this, then it's incorrect pronunciation. The correct pronunciation of this animal is hippopotamus. 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 So here the stress is on P. Okay? So how will you pronounce it? Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. Okay? Not hippopotamus. Now the next animal. How do you pronounce its name? Rhinoceros or rhinoceros. Just learn to pronounce its name correctly. It's rhinoceros. 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 Got it? And the stress is on N, on the second syllable. Would you like to pronounce it again with me? So pronounce it. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. Alright? Now the next animal. How do you pronounce its name? It's not wolf. It's wolf. 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 Okay? It's wolf. Now, how do you pronounce its name? Do you say it monkey? No, it's monkey, but the same spelling, only one letter is different. How do you pronounce it? Donkey? It's incorrect. Okay? It's monkey. Not monkey, but it's not donkey. It's donkey. 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 You got it? I hope you have learned to pronounce all these names correctly. So if you have liked this video, then please like this video and don't forget to share it. If you have not subscribed this channel yet, then please subscribe by pressing subscribe button below and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you may get notification for the next video. Very soon I'll bring another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. And do not forget to practice these names. Bye bye.